Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2018 Gray Wolf 29 TE. It's almost 40 feet long. It's a bunkhouse, has one slide. It's got very kind of a cool layout. Got a power awning with LED light strip. 2 entry doors. Our main door. And then there's our shower restroom area door. You walk in, right to the left, 4 bunks. Lots of storage. USB and outlets in both the bottom bunks. U-shaped dinette. Our couch. Farm sink. 3-burner cooktop range. Nor cold refrigerator, freezer. Have a pantry. Our shower area. Lots of room here. And our front master. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.